Hello guys, today I'm showing you driving in Doha. So I am driving from, as you know, Doha is the capital of Qatar. Qatar is in the Middle East, is one of the richest countries in the world. So I'll try to show you the driving in Doha. So I'll be moving from Hilal to Wakra, a suburb of Doha, a southern place in Doha. So Hilal is at the center of Doha. So I started from Hilal. This is Sea Ring Road, where Gulf Cinema signal is there. The signal is Gulf Cinema. You can see the petrol bunk, and the next signal is the mall signal, where you have the mall, hypermarket and Lulu hypermarket. This is in D Ring Road. See, Doha has ring roads which are in circle, the main roads or arteries which are in circle, where a lot of traffic moves. So we are reaching now to D Ring Road. You can see a stadium there. It is Al Arabi Stadium. There are a lot of matches, football matches and other matches happen in this stadium. This is the evening time. You can see the sky is blue. Evening time is a good time, and this time of the year the weather is very good. So you get around 20 to 25 degrees, or hardly sometimes you get 30 degrees in the months of October, November, December. But in summer it will be very hot. It will be around 50 degrees, 45-50 degrees. Sometimes it goes above 50 degrees also. But at this time of the year the weather is very good in Doha. It is around 20-25 or maximum 30. This is the mall signal which we have reached. This is Al Arabi Stadium. We are driving beside Al Arabi Stadium. Then the next area which we visit is Tumama. Tumama is a small suburb of Doha. So you have walking paths along the road. This road is recently refurbished, you can say, or reconstructed. They have made it beautiful. They have made walking paths and gardens in the side, and there are a lot of houses in Tumama where people stay on rented houses. As I told, Doha has ring roads. They named them as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. The latest ring road is G Ring Road, which is a express highway. Goes from the west by the center of Doha to all the way to the industrial area. In Doha, if you cross the signal in red, you have a fine of 6,000 riyals, which is almost equal to around $1,500. Now we are reaching the E Ring Road, the outer ring road, E Ring Road. This is a full Tumama area. After that you are going to reach E Ring Road. In Doha, the buildings are designed in a specific way. It's in Qatari architecture. You can see there is a distinct way of architecture in Qatar. So it is a Qatari architecture. In which way it is? It looks like a boxes. You have the buildings as boxes. It looks like boxes. So we are reaching the outer part of Doha. You can see we are reaching now F Ring Road signal. F Ring Road was recently developed. Previously there was only E Ring Road. Now F and G two ring roads were recently developed, and they are the free highways. There are no signals in F Ring Road and G Ring Road.